Hi everyone, today I need to change the screen protector on this phone since I did a terrible job in this ceramic film and I didn't really like this ceramic film, although it's more expensive. And so the ceramic film is actually easier to put. It's just that I had a lot of dust inside, so it didn't really stick so well, but I did not want to change the ceramic film instantly since it's more expensive. And so I got this full coverage hydrogel film, which looks harder to put on. Like, I'm not so sure, this is also my first time putting this full coverage hydrogel film. So I have here some dust stickers and some wipes, just some materials that I needed when I do put my own screen protector. And here I have set up the phone and ready to remove the ceramic film that I have put. And let's just throw it away. And here I have wipes. I have put on an alcohol and wiped the screen off. And I also cleaned the sides. And I did not remove the hydrogel film that I have put on the back of this phone. Although the one I got this time is a full coverage hydrogel film. And here I have here the wet wipe side and wipe it off again the screen so that there's no dust. And then I got the dry wipe so that there would not be any staining, water stain on the phone. And of course, I feel like I'm not satisfied, so I have to get the sticker. If you do not have this sticker, do not worry. You can just go ahead and use a scotch tape that also work as well. And here's the screen protector. I'm just gonna be analyzing which side I should peel off first and which side is the correct way to put the screen protector on the phone. And here I have peeled off the first, and there's a guide so that it will be easier to put on the phone. And here I'm just aligning the screen protector on the phone, and I get my scraper to remove the bubbles. And now let's remove the rest of the backing for the front side. Hopefully the other sides won't not come. So I help it by peeling off with my hand on the back. And so far it's very smooth. The screen looks great. It doesn't have that much bubbles, just a very few on the top, but overall it's a very good application. Now the sides, I think it's really nice. And here I was trying to peel off and trying to put it on the top, but it doesn't really stick as well as the one on the bottom. I thought it would stick on the side as well, on the top side, but it did not. So here I already peeled everything off the side randomly, and definitely you will have a fingerprint on this side since you would want it to be really tight. And so I have been off the cam since putting the second half for the back side really is hard with the camera stand in the way. And let me try putting the other side on, but it's actually harder since it has the button and you have to align it properly. So you will have to pull it a bit and also look on the front side if there's any bubbles. Since if there are bubbles, you have to scrape it off and really properly align this side since it also has the camera. So I also had a hard time putting the other side, and this side is much harder. The front was the easiest to put on. And yes, I turned off the camera again or we will be here forever. And I really had a hard time putting on the camera side. And as you can see, there's another film after putting it on, and you'll need to remove it. And after removing it, you will see some bubbles and it will lift up the screen protector a bit. And so you will need your scraper. You will just need to scrape it and really look for any bubbles and it will be removed. And so far, it really works and it's really good looking screen protector. I really like it. Thank you for watching.